It's a good morning. Welcome to your number one news station. This is Sura TV. I'm your today's news Angamukuashila. Starting with our highlights when the red betrays. Starting from Narok County, the home of the famous Masai Mara community and the first grazing land, where climate crisis has been the issues of great concern, affecting the rain patterns and also the grazing culture of the Ma community. More information from our reporter Julius Ogina.
For decades, Narok's rolling plain have been a lifeline for both man and beast. But today, the once green land tells a different story, a story of heat, hunger, and hope fading under the harsh sun.
So, chakula kama unaona chakula ng'ombe inapungua, pia maji ya kupezo ng'ombe inapungua, na sasa chakula ikipungua, ng'ombe huwa zinakonda, zingine zinakufa, so tunaendaga loss sisi wakulima.
Like many other counties in the Rift Valley, Narok has witnessed unpredictable rainfall, long dry spells, followed by heavy downpours that wash away the topsoil.
You find that in some seasons we tend to have much intense rainfall than the normal, but when it comes to other seasons also, you find some rainfall is suppressed. So this is due to influences of climate change, which is brought about by global warming, also the impacts of deforestation, and so many other factors. But of late, we can say that Narok County is experiencing somewhat low rainfall compared to some times back. Yes.
Efforts to adapt are underway, from tree planting drives to the introduction of drought-resistant crops. The people of Narok are fighting back, determined not to let their land turn to dust.
And behind me you can see the savanna that is green, that is lush, and is able to sustain the wildlife that we have here. The reason why this is possible is because of the water sources that are coming all the way from Mau Forest in draining here and providing enough water for the grazers and for the carnivores that live here.
What was once a season of plenty is now a struggle for survival. But beyond the cracked earth, there's a new wave of hope led by farmers and young people determined to fight back against climate change.
We are doing some climate action, specifically in RC South Rift. So what we've been doing is we've been propagating trees, tree seedlings, training university students, training high school students, training primary school children on how to propagate and do conservation.
Across the county, schools are teaching children about water conservation. NGOs are helping farmers harvest rainwater. Slowly, the people of Narok are writing a new story, one of resilience, innovation, and hope for a greener tomorrow. As the world grapples around climate change, the people of Narok are proving that solution can begin from right here, in the hands of the most affected. From the heart of Narok County, I'm Julius Ogina, reporting for Sura TV.